Where do you live? I live in Barcelona. How does Michael get to work? He drives to work. How old are you? I'm 23. Who is that? It's a butterfly. Where is my cell phone? I think I saw it on the table. Where does Thomas study? Thomas studies English at college. Where does her friend live? Her friend lives in London. Who lives in New York? Eva lives in New York. When does his brother always get up? His brother always gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. How does Mr. Brown go to work? Mr. Brown goes to work by bus. What does Richard do? Richard is a teacher. He teaches English. Where does this bus go? This bus goes to the shopping mall. Why are you at home today? I feel sick. What day is it? It's Monday. When can I start work? You can start now. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Why are you late? My car is broken down. Where are your bags? They are over there. How are you today? I'm fine, thanks. Where do they meet after work? They meet in a cafe. Where does Ella live? She lives in Dublin. When do you work in the garden? I work in the garden every afternoon. Where does he play volleyball? He plays volleyball in the gym. What sport do you watch in winter? We watch snowboarding. What do you drink at lunch? I drink water. When does Henry go to the office? He goes to the office at 7 o'clock. How do you like your toast? I like my toast with jam. When does she come home on Mondays? She comes home at 5 o'clock. What do you do? I work in a library. I'm a librarian. Are you married? Yes, I am. What does your husband do? He works as a policeman. Do you usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. How often does your husband exercise? He usually exercises 4 times a week. Where do you like to go on holiday? We like to go to the mountains. What type of books do you read? I really like detective novels. Do you have any children? Yes, we've 2 children, a boy and a girl.